And we are in the second part where we will be sampling a number of leagues across the globe. We will start with the English Premier League, and we know that a number of matches have been postponed simply because of the FA Cup. So if you are an Arsenal fan, maybe you were expecting this weekend you'll play against Chelsea. We know that is one of the games that has been postponed. Manchester United was supposed to play against Sheffield. That has also been postponed. So what exactly do we have this Saturday? Burnley will take Brentford head-on, and that is one of the games that is on the menu this afternoon. And then Luton Town against Nottingham Forest also on the cards. And then Fulham will be in action against Tottenham Hotspurs. Now let's go and look at the preview for this one, because I know a lot will be expected from the Tottenham Hotspurs side. So what exactly will they bring to the table when the two sides collide? Will it be Fulham getting maximum points, or will it be Tottenham again nicking it and carrying the day?